Chapter 3. Exploring the Past. There are lots of people who explore the past. This helps scientists to understand what is happening on Earth today. How Earth was made. Geologists are scientists who study rocks to learn how Earth was made and how it has changed. They discovered that Earth is made of hot, liquid rock that is covered by big pieces of solid rock called plates. The plates can move, and when they crash into each other, they can push up and make a mountain, or a volcano, or they can cause an earthquake. Scientists study how the plates move to try to tell when earthquakes will happen, or when volcanoes will erupt. Plants and animals in the past. When ancient plants and animals died, they were buried under sand and mud. After a long time, they went hard and changed into fossils. Paleontologists are scientists who study fossils to learn which plants and animals lived on Earth in the past. They have discovered fossilized plants and bones, teeth, eggs, and shells from fish, birds, insects, and other animals that lived up to 500 million years ago. These discoveries give us information about animals that lived a long time ago, like dinosaurs.
Discover!
Scientists have found fossils of ocean animals at the top of Mount Everest. This means that the rocks on Mount Everest were once under the ocean and were pushed up. How people lived in the past. Archaeologists study ancient places, buildings, bones, or objects to learn about how people lived in the past. These things tell us what skills and materials people had, what they believed, and what clothes they wore. Some old buildings, like the Great Wall of China, are easy to see. Sometimes, the things that archaeologists look for have been buried for a long time, and they have to dig them up very carefully.
Discover!
The discovery of the Rosetta Stone in Egypt was very important. It helped people to understand the ancient Egyptian alphabet and to learn about life in ancient Egypt. Important discoveries. Many ancient buildings and objects have been found in Central America, for example, in Mexico. By studying these discoveries, archaeologists have learned a lot about how the Mayan people lived about 2,000 years ago, and how the Aztec people lived about 500 years ago. At Mohenjo-Daro, now in Pakistan, archaeologists have found houses from 4,500 years ago with toilets and bathrooms. Many important discoveries have also been found in caves. In 2009, an archaeologist called Quirino Oliveira found cave paintings more than 6,000 years old in the Andes. Cave paintings at Kakadu National Park in Australia tell archaeologists about people and animals who lived there up to 23,000 years ago.